In 2008, while living and teaching in Spain, we first registered our name and our website, the Human Ecology Project.
We were determined to provide information on food and the environment that cut through the confusion, reflecting the best in nutritional science, ancient wisdom, and common sense.
We were both so passionate about communicating the extraordinary impact that the world food system had on health, society, environment, and the animals.
And now we face a new challenge and a new opportunity, and we need your help.
For the past 4 years, Marlene and Bill have used their combined experience of over 100 years to develop their registered charity in the United Kingdom. Working out of their home, they have set the groundwork for a much broader project. They have put together an internationally respected advisory board of academics, nutritional experts, and climate scientists to advise and support their work.
Anytime you two could get me involved.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm always available. I would even get up in the middle of the night for you two.
I know you would.
Because it's not always the new ideas that are the best ideas.
You know what really caught me on the macrobiotic diet idea is obviously we're right there. You were the one behind him, I guess. You were breaking some ground in the professional community, which is delightful.
The focus is on the diverse ways that food choices impact all life on planet Earth, and the way that we can all make choices that support a healthy planet. To assist this educational outreach, they began creating a series of free videos and workbooks on health and the environment. The goal is to create a curriculum that can be offered to schools, colleges, universities, and community groups, as well as develop workshops and lectures for businesses.
And so what I love what you and Bill are doing is essentially lighting the path, showing the light, the truth. And again, I'm so grateful to you, Marlene and Bill, for the creative ways that you educate.
2024 marked a turning point. The first pilot programs have already been presented at schools, including educational material and vegan cooking classes. These programs were fun as well as educational and enjoyed by the students as well as the teachers. You can download the first videos and workbooks for free from the Human Ecology Project website and share them with family, friends, and colleagues. They have also created evening and weekend workshops for adults and businesses. Both Marlene and Bill were given the opportunity to present at the Oxford Literary Festival, where Marlene also designed the menus for 2 vegan gala dinners. Their presentations and the dinners were enthusiastically received by several hundred attendees. They have now been invited to the Gibraltar Literary Festival, where Marlene will again create the gala dinner menus.
The greatest weapon you have for breaking down walls is your food.
Thank you.
Yeah, when you serve them a 4-course whole food plant-based meal, anyone will melt. You're melting their hearts from the inside.
We've been given a matching grant to advance our work. If we raise $20,000 in the next 6 months, it will become $40,000.
Every donation counts, no matter how small. This will allow us to push out to more schools and community groups, and this is where we need your help by participating in our crowdfunding project.
The time is now. Future generations depend on the work that we all do together.
So help us to help them. We're all in this together. Thank you.
Thank you.